In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move or copy emails between folders in Microsoft Outlook. If your inbox is getting crowded, organizing messages into folders is one of the easiest ways to keep everything tidy and easier to find later. Outlook makes this very simple, and in this guide, I'll walk you through the main ways to move an email, as well as how to make a copy of it when needed. To get started, open Microsoft Outlook and go to the email you want to organize. Once you've found the message, click to select it. Make sure the folder list is visible on the left side of the Outlook window, because that's where you'll choose the destination folder. The quickest method is to drag and drop the email. With the message selected, click and hold on it, then drag it over to the folder where you want it to go. As you move it, Outlook will highlight the folder underneath your cursor. Once you see the correct folder selected, release the mouse button. The email will immediately be moved from its current location into that folder. This method is fast and intuitive, especially if you're sorting several messages one at a time. Just take a moment to double check the folder name before releasing so the email doesn't end up in the wrong place. If you want to copy the email instead of moving it, the process is almost the same. Select the email, then hold down the Control key on your keyboard while dragging the message to the folder on the left. When you release the mouse, Outlook will place a copy of that email into the selected folder while leaving the original message where it already was. This is helpful if you want the same email available in more than one category or location without losing the original. There's also another built-in option if you prefer using menus instead of dragging. Right-click the email you want to organize, then look for the Move option. From there, you can choose Copy to Folder. This gives you another way to place the message into a different folder, and some people find it easier and more precise than drag and drop, especially when working with a long folder list. That's all there is to it. Whether you drag and drop to move an email, hold Control to copy it, or use the right-click menu and choose Move and then Copy to Folder, Outlook gives you a few simple ways to stay organized. Once you get used to these options, managing your inbox becomes much faster